Is it up? Yeah. Okay, well guys, today is the 22nd of April 2020. Yes, this is a COVID-19 period lockdown in South Africa. So I'm going to be working on this Ford Ranger, which has a problem of hard cold start. When it's cold, when it has to start, then that's when it starts to have a problem. It has a very hard starting from the morning time. Okay, so I can give you an example now. I've opened already there. Okay, let me try to start this car and then we'll see. The coil, my coil is on, then that's open. My gear is neutral. Let me start it. Okay, as you can see, let me repeat it again. The coil is on, still on. I'm waiting for it to go off. Okay, let me start again. That's not start. Okay, come on here, come with me. Look at how this engine is shaking. The way it shakes and vibrates so much, too much, because of that. Okay, wait and look at the engine when I'm starting this car. Okay. So guys, as you have seen that this engine doesn't want to start. This is a diesel engine. It's a 4-cylinder engine, 4-stroke diesel. It's a turboized engine. So what am I going to do in this case? Then I'm going to my suspicion on this car, the problem lies with the glow plugs. Then I'm going to exchange this the glowing plugs of this with the new ones, and then we are going to see if it will start better. Okay, afterwards. Okay, let me do this for you. These are my glow plugs of the cylinder 1, of the cylinder 2, of the cylinder 3, and of the cylinder 4. Then I'm going to remove them all and exchange them with the new ones, and then I'm going to see what's going to happen afterwards. I lost my span. I don't know where did I put my span. Where did I put it? Okay, wait for me. Yeah, okay guys, now you can see I've already exchanged those glow plugs. Then come look here. These are the glow plugs that I removed. Look how dark they look. Look how blackish they look compared to the new one. This is the new one. This is the old ones that were on this engine that I removed out. This is the new one. So this is the last one that I am fitting in. Then we're going to see the difference. I think you're going to see the difference of this engine when I'm going to start it. Okay. This is the hole for the heat plug to inside to which it must fit in. That's so this socket does not want to come out, eh? Oh, this is still. What's the problem here? No, I don't know why. Oh, doesn't want to come out with a spanner. Okay. So, and this is the last one. Good. This was the last one, guys. And I'm feeding in the rail of the food rail. Okay, let me feed it in. Look at how their cables runs. Yeah, guys, yeah, this is the last part of this video now. Then we are going to test if whatever we worked on has worked fine. So let me try to start the car again. The spiral is on. When it goes off, then I start the car, then we're trying to see. Okay, okay, then come on. See how the engine runs. How it's moving. So guys, you can see you next time. This is an engineering in practice. Till I meet you next time. So you have to look at the back.